Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add verified badge in WhatsApp Business. To do that, guys, you just need to go through these 3 points on the top right corner, tap on it, and right here I want you just to go to the last option, which it says settings, tap on it, and after that I want you to look for the help. Alright, so help is right here, tap on it, and after that I want you just to go into the help center. Okay, and on the search help center, the search bar, tap on it and then type blue badge. So right here what I want you to go through is about verified business accounts badges. Tap on it, and right here I want you just to go into open in browser. So once you are here, I want you to go to this green and tap on it, join the wait list now, and after that I want you to go into the view plans and pricing, and whether you can choose the business standard or business plus or even the business premium. So let's set an example with that one. Right, so it's even you can sign up on Facebook or sign up on Instagram, so I prefer to go with the sign up on Instagram. So they will forward you into your Instagram, and right here, yeah, the Meta verified subscription package are personalized. You are currently logged into an account that's not eligible for this package. So yeah, I guess my account is not it doesn't have the requirements of or the conditions of getting the blue check mark, but you can have it by following the steps. You can choose your plan and pricing, and after that you can make your both of your Instagram and your WhatsApp business. You can get the verified badged in it. And also that's how to add verified badged in WhatsApp business. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.